this is the deal. If you're not a gay, then kiss me.
Why kiss you? If I kiss you,
No,
I will
me.
lose my dignity. No, that's only a reason. It's not a reason. You said you're not.
Wait, I have a question. Alex, are you still a virgin?
So why ask me like that? Because we want to know. That you have no right to ask me like that, Ella. We have, because we have the right of. You super have no right to ask me like that. And Erica Rivera and May.
I think you're.
I can't remember your surname. Yeah, you can.
I will repeat your question, Alex. Are you still a virgin? Yes or no? It's simple. Yes or no?
Why you ask me like
No,
that?
yes or no? Yes or no?
You can ask with another question. Yeah.
It's a big deal.
Why?
No, yes or no? No.
Because you guys conquer my life. And if
I can't understand.
wake up in the morning and you guys tease me about that. No, we're not.
Tomorrow morning, if you wake up in the sun, that's not
You guys
fair.
are so bad.
We're just asking you. We're not teasing you.
You guys asking and you guys tease me tomorrow morning. This morning because it's still whatever. Hey, Alex, if you given a chance to choose one of us, who will
You want to kiss?
I can choose that. No!
No, you have to choose.
You have to choose one. It's only between the five of us. What if
Because thinking I'm drunk right now. I'm
No!
drunk right now.
I know! We know!
We're not
You're not drunk!
dancing.
We're asking you na! We're asking
We're-
Oh, ew, duh!
It's a promise between the five of us.
Whatever you did that, brother. Whatever.
Are you okay?
Another.
Whatever it is.
So choose between the four of us.
I can't choose.
No.
So you want... now I know. Alex wants Joel or Josh.
No,
Yes.
Alex is a God-fearing person.
What? Pardon?
God-fearing person.
Who is fearing?
Said my nose is fearing. Yes, matatakotin kay God, kay Diyos.
Well, fearing.
Spell fearing.
F-E-A-R-I-N-G.
Okay, next question. Alex,
Next question.
are you happy now?
No, I'm pictorial in my picture right now.
Okay, Alex,
Shut me!
Alex, for your information, this is a video, not a picture.
It's a video story.
Okay.
I will not shut you.
Okay. Wait, this is your pictorial. Okay, so
This is your video, and I will post it on
okay,
YouTube.
your dress.
Can you show us your back?
Can you show us maybe Alex is
I'm just
crazy,
a man.
you know.
I don't.
That's all.
Hindi pa daw lasing si Alex.
What can you say, May? What can you say about Alex? What can you say about
This is a documentary.
Yeah.
Alex can prove himself to us.
Yeah.
Because
And I
he
think
do nothing.
yeah. And I think he's
Whatever to
na kasi. Ano ba naman yan?
You just have to kiss me without Malaysia.
Without Malaysia because I'm your
Hindi.
It's just a friendly kiss.
friend.
If you're not a gay, then kiss me. But if you're a gay, then kiss Topher.
So it's a decision.
No. Yeah.
It's a choice. It's a choice.
You're lesbian, kiss him. I can't
Kiss me.
You guys have no right. We have a deal, you know. Not five of us.
Okay, Alex, next question.
What?
Who is your crush?
Romantic crush?
Yeah. Yes.
Whatever, nothing.
Oh, nothing? Really?
Promise.
Oh.
Hindi, sino lang yung nagugustuhan mo yung forma, ganyan.
Nothing.
Parang hinahangaan.
No.
Ako na yan. Okay.
Impossible, you know.
Parang
You're only
bumibilib ka. Parang,
Nothing.
wow, itong tao si Alex.
Nothing, wala. Wala because my life is...
So lonely without me.
Your life will suck without you.
What? Your life is?
No, my life is...
His life is family.
Whatever,
Unless...
Bisaya. Whatever may. You're black. Alex, don't trust us.
We go there
But
because
you're-
there's no...
You know?
Yes, hot seat.
Yeah.
You open the lights here.
And the interviewer is here. And I'm the director. So you're the director and I'm the way.
Yes,
Our
she's the director.
is interviewing. And you're the camera girl.
Yes, and I will post this on YouTube.
Why you do that to me? You're so bad, Ella. No, we're not.
Alex,
Ella, not you. Not you, Topper.
Alex, are you happy?
Yeah, I'm really happy. I'm very happy because Ella celebrates her. What's you're old right now?
19.
So she's 19 and last year she's
18.
celebrating his 18th birthday.
So, are you happy now?
Yes, I'm really happy because I experience right now the family.
Really?
Yeah.
So, you treat us like a family.
Yeah.
So, do you love us?
Yeah, I love you all.
Really?
Very I'm pregnant now.
Why? Are you shy?
I'm not shy. Don't do that, Ella. You're so bad.
You're not shy, you're Alex.
Yeah, I'm Alex.